We're actually doing a little experiment today. Today we're going to use some spoons and plugs on one side of the boat exclusively, and we're using some worm harnesses that Todd built the other night on the other side of the boat. But this side is definitely outperforming the worm harnesses. So we'll see. It's still early in the fishing trip. Who knows? Maybe we'll catch a few more on the worm harnesses. Bring it up. Oh! The biggest one so far, we lost it.
Sorta. Well.
There you go, guys. We just lost the biggest fish of the day on the worm harness. So I was actually about ready to say that the spoons were doing better than worm harnesses, but right now, I can't say that. The verdict's still out. We'll see what happens here later. Still on there. Oh, yeah. Might need the net for this one.
The big one.
It's a little bigger.
First bait.
You know what? He's still hooked pretty good. One quick up and in, up and in. Yes, that's the biggest one so far.
That's fat.
Not the longest, but he's fat.
All right, that's a keeper right there, guys. Lake Erie walleye. It's not huge, but it's definitely a nice eater. Look at that. He wore a hole in his mouth. He was about ready to come off.
He's a keeper. Definitely a keeper.
Ready?
Got it.
That guy was on there just by a hair, too.
Oh my goodness. That's a good one.
Another good eater.
Beautiful.
Not real long, but they're fat.
Oh,
They're healthy.
those are nice ones. These are definitely good fish for the frying pan, guys. Nice fish. Look at that.
Probably 17, 18 inches long.
We'll try. We'll tell you right now. 18 inches. That's a good one for the frying pan.
Fish on. Fish on. Oh. Yep. Fish on. This is on a worm harness with a live worm.
Worm harness.
Oh.
The live worm. So the verdict is still out. Because right now the worm harness side is starting to pick up. That's a nice one too. Don't lose him. Don't lose him, Todd. Don't lose him. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah.
Hey, oh, that's a nice one.
Nice fish, Todd. That's a good one for the frying pan. On the worm harness again.
Woo! There you go.
How
That's
big's
a
that
nice
one?
fat one. $19.
19.
Right here we got a big ball of bait, a bunch of minnows or something.
And underneath
Big
is
ball, and then underneath we got probably a bunch of walleyes. They'll swim underneath that ball and then come up, feed on them, and then go back down. So we ought to see some rods jumping here in just a few minutes.
right. Alright, I think we have a nice one on here, Todd. It actually really, oh yeah, look at it. Nice fish, I think. Oh, he's fighting pretty good.
How many feet you got out?
50. He's still digging deep. This is a nice fish. Oh yeah. Probably wearing a hole right in his mouth. He's about ready to jump off. We're gonna lose him at the boat. But I don't care. This is fun.
Yes, sir.
This is what it's all about right here.
Ow.
Oh yeah, look at that.
It's Todd.
Oh, he's got a lot of fight in him.
Okay.
All right, you got the dipsy.
Oh, yeah.
It's got to be a walleye. Okay.
See a mouse yet? Oh, you see a mouse.
Is that wrapped around?
Walleye.
Oh, wow.
That's a nice walleye too.
Yeah.
Oh my lord, look at the size of that walleye.
Keep his mouth in the water.
I'm trying.
Oh. He's flipping and
Oh, that's a nice walleye right there.
Oh, no, what is that?
Oh, come on.
Back up just a hair.
Back up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Back up, Doug. Back up.
Oh. He's coming this side, Todd.
Yeah, come towards me.
Go around.
He's right there.
Oh!
Oh, no, no, no.
That's a nice walleye.
That's what we're talking about.
I've never seen one so big.
That's a nice walleye.
Oh, yeah.
Good job.
That's what we're talking about.
Yeah.
There's a nice walleye.
Wow, that is
Put
big.
his nose right up against the zero. 28 and a quarter.
28. Oh, that's a nice walleye there.
That sure is.
Ah.
Are you looking for a towel?
Woo!
Tired. Tired for a bear. That's nice. Oh, you guys see how much it weighs?
Got him.
What's he weigh? 5, 6 pounds?
7 pounds.
7 pounds.
All right.
All right, I'm
7
gonna cut
pounds, 28 and a quarter. That is a nice fish.
That's what we came for right there.
Let's get your picture with that one.
Wow, yeah, good picture. Okay.
Another nice one, I think.
Huh?
Another nice one. Definitely legal. Give him the flag.
Oh, I got one here too.
Double, we got a double. Come on, go, Todd, go.
I might need a net.
Don't lose it.
Whoa.
He's legal.
Wow.
That was a perfect.
I think this is the end.
Perfect.
I'm ready to go in.
You ready to go in?
We're ready to go. We're gonna end it on this.
Yeah, end it on a double. 2 for the frying pan. What I say,
All right.
we do catch and release.
Honestly,
Release
guys-
to the grease.
Released it. All right, guys, to tell you the truth, we've actually been using 2 different kind of lures here today. We've been using plugs on one side of the boat. We've been using Todd's homemade worm harnesses. To be honest with you, I think they all pretty much did the same thing, but
They all caught fish.
yeah, it was a good time. So,
You guys.
all right. Thanks for watching Living the Fish TV. We had a great time.